Will Nunez. My partner is Jan Zhang, and together we made the Trackside Pi. So this is a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B with a PiTFT display on the back, and an enclosure that includes the Pi camera out the back, Pi camera module attached to the back, a GPS accelerometer, and then it's communicating over Bluetooth with an ELM 327 OBD-II reader port. So right here on the display we have live data logging for our lateral latitude, longitude, mile per hour, RPM, coolant, throttle position, and our XYZ accelerations. And if I give it a little gas, you can see our values change. So everything is recording correctly. The buttons on the side here allowed us to swap between the camera view and our data logging. And our third button begins data recording. In order to select which channels we want to log, we can press on the display and deselect by turning them to white from green which channels we want recorded. When we're ready, we just press this button, starts recording. We get a nice little red dot, and now we're recording data for when we go driving, including our GPS position and all the data that we see here. When we're done, just press the button again. Takes a little while to save. All of our data and the video is saved locally, and it can be accessed over the Ethernet port with an SSH terminal. The unit itself is powered with a 5-volt supply from a car simple cell phone charger out of a headphone jack, and it's attached to the dash with a nice little suction cup, so you can place this wherever you need.
After you have recorded your recordings, you can view them in a web interface. The homepage of the web interface will show all your historical recordings. You can go to any entries and it will show the recorded video and all the data that's showing a line chart, and also your historical path that's showing a map that with red lines showing your path.